If your employees are demonstrating an unrealistic sense of entitlement, you may want to consider these 3 reasons. Leniency error. They may believe that they are doing much better than they actually are because their supervisor is not comfortable giving them constructive feedback and helping them to do their job better. Give real feedback and provide support for their improvement. Insecurity. Maybe your employees feel like one of my audience members who said, "When I do something wrong, I get recognized 100% of the time. And when I do something well, it's rare that anyone notices." Explicitly acknowledge the good that your employees do. Don't know the whole truth. There are ups and downs in businesses every day. Make sure your employees know the good, the bad, and the ugly, and encourage conversation and collaboration. And let your employees pitch in when you need help. Take the time to assess if you are giving real feedback, recognizing your employees' efforts, and being transparent in the running of the business.